Matanya ma ameba a kamiti ya Senate igii hinya wa kuhuthika mauma iguru makihoka ati Minista wa hinya wa kuhuthika Charles Keter na murunawe wa maguta na wejua mahiga magoro John Munyes ni magikinyirie mbere yao na gutariria kiria gicungiririe thogora wa maguta kwambatira na gikiro kia iguru, no matanya mao mahorire o takanyitira kahurutitwo ni ruhuho riria aria ya magire gwikinyia.
Why is it that the cabinet is running away from its responsibility, Mr. Chair?
Na riu kuringana no guri no atho kuhuthirwo andu acio ni magucamonwo na mangiaga gutuika ni makurumirira samoni iria makuheo riu ano meone makihoria gacuru.
Gutiira kwao gukiamburura marakara maingi kuma kuri maseneta na umwe thutha wa uria ungi mokirira minista aya makiuga ati ni makuite na uhuthu ndeto ya thogora wa maguta iria tigite ya Kenya magicaya na njira nene.
This is a serious issue that can invite unrest in Kenya, and yet they are treating this matter with contempt. So, Mr. Chairman, we are urging you to take very, very stern action.
We must summon him and even charge them seriously. They must pay. The Senate of the Republic of Kenya sitting here waiting for people who are not ready to appear.
Na ona senators aya makiorotaga ministers aya eri ni gutiira kwao ni kugiire na urugari thiini wa giikaro giki. Senators makiurania no batie gukua mutharaba wa kuongerereka gwa thogora wa maguta na bunge ya bururi ikimurikwo na njira nene kuona niyo ihitukagia mawatho mothe megie magoti.
Senate and the National Assembly passed the Petroleum Act. So that is, we are to blame there. There is a distinct roles that can be played by both houses. I cannot amend the tax laws because I'm in the Senate.
This is a matter in which Parliament must take full responsibility.
Mutharaba wagire gukuo ni thirikari tondu thirikari niyo ikaraga thi na niyo itikirite mawatho maya ni erahitukia.
Ona kuhana uguo Keter akiaria na andiki ya mohoro ni eteteire na njira nene iguru rigie gutira gwake akiuga ati ndeto igie thogora wa maguta ndikoragwo rungu rwa ministry yake.
On the petroleum side, that is under the Ministry of Petroleum and Mining, I don't even know what they do since I left.
Maya magithii na mbere mwonjoria umwe uria utaburikanite ta Richard Mwembi kuma kaunti-ini ya Githii augite ni hariirie guthii igoti-ini guthitanga ruhonge rwa uramati wa thogora wa mahinya IPRA, akiuga ati itua riao ni ritigite a Kenya makihinyiririka na njira nene.
Sasa mumeongeza mafuta na misahara mtaongeza civil servants. Kama alikuwa anapata msahara 10,000, mafuta inachukua 2,000. Sasa hiyo ingine atatoa wapi ndio agharamia expenses?
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gutariria.